A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way, make the Lord come true. Clear the way, clear the way, clear the way, make the Lord come true. Yeah, man, and that John did come for do. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you not subscribe yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, because you're not going to miss none of what I go on right there. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 1 from verse 1 to verse 13. This are all the good news about Jesus Christ, God boy Pitney, start. It right down in the book where the prophet Isaiah write, say, look, me will send me messenger for go on till you come. Him I go get people ready for you. Somebody a shout in the desert, clear the way for the Lord come through. Make the track where the Lord for walk pan straight. So John the Baptist start to preach in the desert and say people for turn away from their sin, get baptized, and God will pardon them for all the wrong where them do. People from all over Judea and everybody will live in Jerusalem did I go to him. When them see say them a sinner and sorry for the wrong way they do, him baptize them in a river Jordan. John clothes did make out a camel ear with one leather belt round his waist. And for him food, him name grasshopper and honey when him find in the desert. John tell the people them say, somebody more powerful than me a come. And me not even good enough to pull the trap pan his slippers. Me baptize you in a water, but him I go baptize you with the Holy Spirit. Around them time there, Jesus they come from Nazareth in a Galilee, and John did baptize him in a river Jordan. Same time Jesus a come up out of water. He see heaven open up and the Spirit a come down upon him like one dove. And one voice from heaven say, you are for me one dege boy Pitney. Me love you and you make me heart glad. Same time the Holy Spirit caused Jesus for go in the desert. And him did in a desert for 40 days. And when he did out there, Satan try hard to make him do wrong. He did out amongst the wild animal them, but angel did a look after him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.